Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to see how to install Git inside a DigitalOcean droplet, how to set that up, and most importantly, how to set up an SSH key that connects your GitHub account. Okay, now, first important thing to remember that, or notice that DigitalOcean is like you're creating a new box, like you're creating this brand new computer, and it doesn't have anything installed. So if you're thinking, I already did an SSH key and I can copy and paste that into my GitHub account, yes, you can. But remember that SSH key you're copying and pasting into your GitHub account that you already did is from your local machine. Now, since we want our droplet to connect with Git as well, we have to create an SSH key inside the droplet and connect that to GitHub as well. So you can have your local machine connected to GitHub, and that's perfectly fine. But we also want, in our case, to connect our droplet to GitHub. So let's start. Let's do that. All right. So brand new droplet. We've successfully logged into this droplet using SSH key. Let's update. The first thing we want to do is to update this droplet. So let's do sudo app-get update. It'll run. It might take a while. All right, that's finished. Now we're going to install Git. So we'll do sudo app-get install Git. Y to continue. Yes. All right, perfect. Now let's the way we're going to configure Git is the following. So we'll do git space config dash global space dash global user.name, and here you'll type your name. Enter. And then you'll do git config dash global user.email, and you'll type your email. Perfect. All right. Now let's generate that new SSH key, and we'll do something similar we already did. So we'll do SSH dash keygen dash T RSA B 4096. We'll hit enter. Oh, whoops. Oh yeah, I have a typo here. I'm sorry. So this T doesn't go. Hit enter. It's generating. Yeah, we want to save it here. So we'll hit enter. That's fine. I'm gonna leave it empty for no passphrase, so I'll hit enter. I'll have to confirm this again. So enter. And this is the image that my random art image that my key was created. All right. So I want to ensure that SSH agent is enabled, and in order to do that is to type the following command: eval space quotes $, parenthesis SSH dash agent space dash S, close parenthesis and close quotes. Enter. I'll get an ID. Everybody will have a different ID. Then I want to add this key to that SSH agent. So let's do SSH dash add, then tilde slash dot SSH slash ID underscore RSA. Identity has been added. Now let's copy this key, and in order to do this, we'll do the following workaround. Notice that on the previous video we used pbcopy, but pbcopy won't work inside our droplet. So let's do the following. We'll do cat tilde dot SSH slash ID underscore RSA pub. This will show us our droplet SSH key. We're gonna grab the whole thing right here from SSH all the way to the bottom. In my case, it got the droplet name. Okay, this might be another thing differently. You can change this if you want, but in my case, since I did not specify a specific name for this key, it just grabbed my droplet name. All right, so I'm gonna copy this. All right, and now I'm gonna go into GitHub. I'm gonna click here on my avatar, go to settings, go to SSH, and add new SSH. I'm gonna click and I'm gonna say DigitalOcean and paste this here, and click add new SSH. It's going to ask my password to confirm. I'll type in this. Perfect. All right, so this is set. You'll probably get an email confirmation that a new SSH key has been added. That's all right. That's perfect. Now I'm going to go into the website I want to use or the repo I want to use. And I'm going to say and try to see if everything's working perfectly. I'm going to do git clone and paste the git git clone URL. Hit enter. It's going to ask to authenticize the key. You'll type in yes, hit enter, and if you did not receive an error message, you got this. You got it working. And to double check, we'll do an ls, and we want to make sure that we see the directory inside our root. And yeah, here we go. All right, perfect. All right, so I hope this helped you set up your SSH key inside the DigitalOcean. Create your SSH key inside DigitalOcean. Remember that it's a separate key we want to for our droplet, so we can connect it to our GitHub account. It's basically the same same steps we did creating our SSH key for our DigitalOcean droplet, like in the previous video. But now we just did the same thing in order for our droplet to connect it to our GitHub account. So think about it this way: like your computer needed an SSH key to connect to the droplet. You created that droplet, and that droplet is a brand new computer that needed a separate SSH key in order to connect to GitHub. So basically, that's all we've done so far, and we just tested that this works inside our droplet by cloning a GitHub repo. All right, so hope this helps. Good luck and have fun. Bye-bye.